What if one home could show how much change is in your hands by revealing the air you breathe and how small actions make everyday living cleaner and healthier? That's the journey of the VR game Cooper's Clean Air Quest. Imagine stepping inside the 1960s, an era marked by what we now call the Great Acceleration, a sudden global rise in industrialization, energy use, consumption, and pollution. Your mission? To transform a typical home of that era to meet today's standards, sustainably and responsibly. Step inside immersive virtual reality and see what's usually invisible. Find the polluted spots and race against the ticking clock. Team up with quirky robot Cooper to scan the air with carbon vision, uncover hidden emissions, learn about what is around us, clean polluted zones, and swap outdated appliances for modern ones. You only have minutes, not just because it's a game, but because the planet does. Small changes make a big difference. YORD, in collaboration with the city of Cupertino, is proud to make this fun, educational experience available to your community.
Please keep doing your part to protect our planet. Bye.